Hello, friends. Welcome to Prunku's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Prunku. I'm in my den, and today I want to make a video for beginners. And this is actually something that many beginners, when they first get their tobacco, struggle with: opening the tin. Now, most probably, you will have around tin of tobacco, and you will maybe not you, but many of us in the beginning didn't really know how to open a tin. So if you're going to try to open it like this, you will not succeed. But as you can see on the sides of the tin, it has this little, how should I say, it's not a hole, but it has this sign. On older tins, it even shows you, let me give you an example. On older tins, it says vacuum packed to open, insert coin, and hold on, and twist. So the same system has been since, I don't know, forever. And basically, in order to open your tin, you have to put a coin or something that goes into this small um into this small area here. So if you don't have a coin, and most probably a coin will be too thick to get in here, I suggest you take your check tool, and either with this part of the check tool or with this part, you will just put it here, and you just do like so. I don't know if you heard, but it was um, a sound that lets you know that the tin was air packed, airtight, sealed, and now it's going to be easier to open it. Okay, so this is how you open a brand new tin. You just get your check tool here, you do like this until sound fissing sound, I don't know how to say, starts, and then you will be able to simply and gently open your tin. Okay, same goes with this type of tins. Now you will see that not all of them have um, mark where you can put that coin or whatever, but the same goes, like here it is. You just put your, I'm not going to open this tin because it's not its time, but the same goes with this type of tins. You do the same. There are some other types of tins, like those from V.O. Larson, for example, and the same goes with them. They have this here, and you do the same. Okay, and then there are these things which obviously you just do it like so, and that's it. Okay, so it's that simple. The reason why you can't just open a tin right off is because they are vacuum sealed. They are packed in order to keep the tobacco moist, to keep the tobacco in a safe environment. So yeah, anyway, that's all you have to do to open your tin. So open it, smoke it, enjoy it. Till next time, take care and happy puffin'.